Hey everybody, Jeremy O'Toole here. Just wanted to sing a little song for everybody because I'm so happy today. You can see my smile. Can't stop. Woke up again this morning, and my favorite token just keeps going to the moon. So here's a little song for everybody. Oh, XRP, you're so good to me, rising real high, and you can see that tomorrow I'll wake up a millionaire. Oh, 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 XRP, I love you. XRP, XRP, do what you do. I want to see you go so high. You pass the Bitcoin, bye, 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 all the way to the moon. Cause my friends, I'm telling you, when I cash out, I'm buying a yacht and living the life God meant for me. And I'll tell you, my friends, you're gonna see all this money be falling right in my lap.